Gaano katagal bago makita yung results ng ad?
Depende kung kailan bumibili. For example, e-com. So, naka-direct to sale ka. Dapat makikita mo yun on the first day of launching. Ako yung mga ads ko, first day of launching, bumibenta agad yun. Hindi lahat So, at least, day one pa lang, alam ko na gumagana to. Gumagana tong ads na to, ito, hindi. Instant yun eh. You'll know. Kung ano naman, service-based, leads. Kasi sometimes, ang leads, you have to work it out. Halimbawa, high ticket or real estate, di ba? Hindi naman yung pagka-inquire ngayon, bibili din agad eh. So, you have to give it some time. The only indication that you can see on day one of running your ads, meron bang mga engagement yung ads mo? Marami bang nag inquire or interesting ba siya for people? You'll know. Kasi may mga ads kami na pinablish na day one pa lang bugso na agad yung inquiries. For a particular law firm na nilaunch namin yung ads, I believe a month ago, or 2 months ago. Law firm siya. Pinagawa ko sila ng video content or video creatives. Literally day one. Hundreds of comments, hundreds of shares, likes, and sobrang daming inquiries ang nangyari. Day one yun. So that's how you know the creatives are good. You can easily tell. Just wait for 2 to 3 days doon sa mga leads para ma-follow up lahat and matry ma-convert. Or pag super high ticket like real estate or car, you have to give it mga 1 week siguro to gauge the viability or the interest of the clients. But yes, ganun siya kabilis. Depende sa product na binibenta mo.